Welcome to our tutorial on setting up iOS URLs for rotators. Are you ready to tailor your rotator links specifically for iOS users? In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up an iOS URL for your rotators. To get started, when creating a new rotator or editing an existing one, click on Show Advanced Settings. Then, scroll down to iOS URL. Here, you can insert the link that will be used if a click is coming from an iOS device. This allows you to provide a customized experience for iOS users, directing them to a destination optimized for their device. Unlock the power of iOS optimization and enhance the user experience for your iOS audience. Let's dive in and optimize your rotator links for iOS devices.